Yo, NBA fans! First game ngayon ng playoff series nitong Los Angeles Lakers kontra sa Minnesota Timberwolves. Napakainit ng mga players. First game pa nga lang, nag-aangasan na agad itong si Edwards at Luka. Pag-usapan natin yan, kaya huwag na natin patagalin pa. Tara na, let's go! Napakaganda na naging first quarter nitong si Luka Doncic. Hindi siya mapigilan ng Timberwolves. First quarter pa nga lang nakapagtala na tong si Luka ng 16 points. Sinamahan pa ng mainit na shooting ni Rui Hachimura.
Not only can shoot it, he's averaging 20 a game, but draws two defenders and kicks it for that corner three for a stand. It has knocked down a couple of threes. These step backs so difficult, and he shoots it with ease.
Doncic easily over Conley, but he missed it. Chased down his own rebound. Hachimura from deep laces it.
Napakalupit naman ng ankle breaker dito ni Edwards kay Hachimura. Nangatog yung tuhod Pagsak siya. Sayang at hindi pumasok ang tira ni Edwards. Nagpatuloy naman ang init ni Luka Doncic at kinuha pa nga si Gobert. Paborito talaga ni Luka tong si Gobert. Last year niya pa pinapahiya to sa playoffs. Panis na naman nga sa kanya, kaya na tumiiling-iling pa. Pero babawi naman dito si Anthony Edwards.
Get out transition, get something easy. Good pass ahead by Donald. And then he puts the brakes on himself and gives a little up fake, the step through right around.
Makakadikit ng konti ang Wolves dito. Magandang play ang pinakita nitong si Vanderbilt, Vincent at Dorian Finney-Smith para makakuha ng 2 wide open threes to end the first quarter. Score dito ay 28-21 in favor of the Los Angeles Lakers. Second quarter ay magsisimulang humabol itong Wolves sa pangunguna yan itong si Jaden McDaniels.
Comes off that little screening action, just flew right by Vanderbilt. And when Dorian Finney-Smith tried to help his IQ, is right there with him.
I think that Minnesota would try and get Julius Randle going a little bit. Feel Alexander off the bench.
And a good passer, playmaker, Julius Randle. You get caught in no man's land, Reed's gonna knock down you.
Sa play na to, 4 na Lakers na nakapalibot sa kanya pero siya pa rin na nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Dahil nga sa hustle nito ay nakakuha ng double-digit lead ang Wolves. Nakabawi pero hindi papayag si LeBron. At makakuha ng magandang end one. Fade away, may kasama pang foul.
As LeBron went up and he didn't go up with a fadeaway to shoot over. He basically
Susundan pa niya yan ng isang chase down block. Grabe to si LeBron, parang hindi 40. Classic LeBron James chase down.
it might just be that. What a block. Stamp
Races up anyway and it comes off.
Magsisimula namang uminit dito ang 6-man ng Wolves na si Naz Reid. Lason kasi to Dito nga't matatapad pa si LeBron.
Minnesota off and running. DiVincenzo, nice show and go, and Dante lays it in.
that Naz Reid on LeBron.
At hindi lang isang beses matatapadan si LeBron. Makakadalawa pa after yan ang chase down block niya. Nagantihan siya agad At magsisimula na nga ditong lumobo ang kalamangan dahil magpapaulan na ang Wolves dito sa home court ng Lakers.
Tries to stop that penetration. Edwards drawn like 4 guys in the lane. LeBron James just recovering out late.
Isang magandang give and go naman dito kay Finney-Smith at LeBron. Nakakuha pa to ng foul. And one.
Bounce pass from Dorian Finney-Smith for the chance for a 3-point DiVincenzo.
Pero lalo pang ibabaon ni DiVincenzo ang Lakers sa isang malupit na buzzer beater 3 bago matapos ang first half. Dito nga tumingin pa sa camera para magyabang. Third quarter nagpatuloy pa rin ang init ng Timberwolves sa tres. Talagang hindi mapigilan ng Lakers.
The corner three is pure. Hill, floater comes off, got it back. Randle from deep, and they cash in.
Minnesota went after him on the defensive end.
Edwards, it's
Time after a trade for everybody to get used to one another.
they turn over Doncic. Conley pulls the three.
Bago pa dito nabuhayan ang big three ng Lakers. Susubukang humabol ni LeBron, Austin at Luka.
You cannot be turning the ball over like that.
They just did. Here's James. Puts his shoulder down, put his head down.
And Austin Reed went for another shot fake.
Got an easy one there.
At isang half-court buzzer beater shot pa nga ang mabubukol ni Luka. Ang tindi! Pinatama sa backboard. Kakaiba talaga tong si Luka Doncic. At bubukol pa nga ng isang tres to start the fourth quarter. Pero talagang hindi nila mapababa ang lamang nitong Minnesota eh. Hindi nila madepensahan. Tapos mag-iinit pa dito si Edwards. Ay talagang wala na. Yari ang Lakers nito.
To get that three. Edwards off the bounce, spins. Back out to a wide open Randall. Cash out. Ready to cook. Ant-Man.
At dito nga itinirahan pa ni Edwards sa mukha. Sabay inangasan. Tinutukan sa mukha. At tatapusin ng Wolves dito ang laro. Itong si Nasrid at McDaniels ang pumatay sa Lakers eh. Nag-step up ng malaki. Hindi nila mapigilan. Naku-Wolves ang Game 1. At natapos nga ang laro sa score na 117-95 in favor of the Minnesota Timberwolves. Ito ang si McDaniels na naging leading scorer para sa Wolves with 25 points. At 2 tira lang ang nagbintes. Sa kabila ng pagkatalo ng Lakers ay nakakuha ng 37 points itong si Luka Doncic. Pinuhos ang lahat pero talagang hindi kaya eh. Lason kasi ang naging shooting ng Wolves sa larong to. 21-3 ang naipasok nila dito at kalahati lang ang nagmintes. Lamang din sila dito sa rebounds. Grabing hustle kasi ang pinapakita ng mga players ng Wolves kuha ng rebound. Nalimitahan naman nila dito si LeBron, 19 points lang. 8 out of 18 shooting. 10 mintes. At isa lang ang pumasok sa 3 sa 5 tira niya. 16 points naman itong si Austin Reeves. Mukhang malas itong si LeBron at AR ah. Kailangan nilang mag-step up kung gusto nilang manalo sa series na to. Pero kayo, ano sa tingin nyo? Tingin nyo ba ay makakabawi itong dalawang to? Makahanap kaya sila ng solusyon sa depensa ng Wolves? Pati na rin sa matinding shooting nito? Comment down below and mag-subscribe ka na rin sa ating channel para lagi kang updated sa mga latest NBA happenings. Ayun lang for today. Peace out and God bless.